Many customers have come to TimeXtender seeking an answer to data accessibility problems in their business. The data needed to make decisions is often buried in disconnected systems and riddled with errors. This often leads to mistrust in the data by the business users and an overwhelmed data team. Let's take a look at how one business worked with TimeXtender to rebuild their trust in data company wide and build an ecosystem that everyone could use. Jysk is a manufacturer and retailer of affordable furniture in Iceland. In 2019, they came to us with what was already a very robust data ecosystem. They were using Microsoft Nav as their ERP system, LS Retail for their POS, and Validar for their finances, to name a few. When a new CFO came into the business, he said, "The first challenge we faced was reconciling sales from the POS credit card settlements. The data process had recurring errors, and we needed a way to proactively detect and fix those issues before they became revenue leakages," which, of course, is the perfect use case for the data governance and quality controls offered by TimeXtender. When he came into the business, he was seeing inconsistencies all over the place, but the main concern was those that were affecting the bottom line, such as the POS and credit card and ERP errors. They also acquired some smaller companies around this time, so they had missing attributes in their key dimensions, and they were selling their products often at the wrong price or with the wrong discounts. They needed to map the keys of all these different systems together, so he saw a lot of opportunities for improvements. What he did when he came into the company was implement the Time Extender products and completely change the way they looked at their data. Their data health and analytics actually became the driver for all the decisions that they made. He set up this data culture by first setting up a visual representation of the data pipeline and process maps so everyone had a clear understanding of how the data was moving through the ecosystem. Then he prioritized creating important data quality controls that would identify and notify users of inconsistencies and missing attributes in the data. This allows the process owner to fix any issues before they arise. Next, he used the time extender tools to build a single source of truth from these data pipelines. They used to have a lot of Excel files floating around the company, and now there are no more Excel files. They simply load everything into their time extender master data management platform. This kind of single source of truth means they were able to get rid of unreliable Excel files and manage all of their KPIs in one place. The Time Extender Holistic Data Suite features very powerful accessibility controls, so you can even give users access down to the column level in a database table. With this, Jysk is now able to ensure their users have the access to the data they need when they need it. And finally, they established a culture of continuous audits and improvement. They have a meeting every month to make sure that the data processes are still meeting their needs. They see where they improved or declined in their data health, and there are additional controls processed and put into place when needed. With these steps, he was able to build a new culture in the company that is still strong today. Jysk now has over 250 data controls that run daily, and the people overall started to trust the data more, and it has improved their overall efficiency. The team at Jysk has discovered multiple use cases for the Time Extender platform since their adoption and continues to reap the rewards it has to offer. Here are some of the most valuable uses for their business to date. They're using live notifications. Time Extender sends notifications to stakeholders if accounts are overdue, credit limits are breached, or if the team needs to update expired or inconsistent vendor credit information. This increases internal efficiencies by eliminating their manual processes. Proactive purchasing. Alerts are shared via the platform when the company needs to increase or amend prices in the system to remain profitable, which was once also a manual task. This not only increases efficiency, but has eliminated the risk of human errors. Real-time inventory. Time Extender has enabled the company to automate time-consuming processes like inventory fulfillment and monthly or bi-weekly vendor payments, saving them significant time and resources. And finally, Live BI. Jysk also uses Time Extender to schedule, coordinate, and leverage its data infrastructure and use live reports, transforming the company's business operations. If you are ready to join Jysk and thousands of other businesses around the world to organize your data in a way that is accessible for those who need it when they need it, schedule your demo of TimeXtender today.